Adding Visa gift card to your debit card is pretty easy thing to do. Today I'm going to teach you how to add your Visa gift card to your credit card. So suppose you have some amount of money in your Visa gift card which looks like that, and you want to add this money to your debit card. So that suppose you have an extra Visa gift card, you just want to add the whole amount of money into your debit card. So for that, what you have to do is you just simply have to link this Visa gift card to PayPal, Venmo, or Cash App. And after doing that, you just have to transfer these funds from the Visa gift card to your account. Like suppose you have linked it with the PayPal, you need to add the Visa gift card to your PayPal and transfer your Visa gift card's money to the PayPal. And after getting into the PayPal, you can simply transfer this to your bank account having the debit card. So you just need to send the money from your PayPal to the bank account, and then you can simply use the debit card to withdraw that money from the bank account. So that's pretty much it. That's how you guys can transfer your Visa gift card funds to your debit card. Hope you guys find this video helpful.